Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a pop-up in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, select your cells. Example, use mark cells column, marks column. Then go to Data tab and click Data Validations, add rule, and see this criteria number. Not available to this options, simply click the custom formula is and add a type formula already copied to this formula. Note to this formula. Okay, then show help text for a selected cell and type the pop-up message already copied to this message. Note this, or you can type your own text, reject the input or show warning as your wish. Then click done, and since the number 120, press enter, and this there was a problem. Please enter marks between 0 and 100 only. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.